Fix Minecraft error code 0x87e50038 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check for pending Minecraft updates. Sometimes, the error appears when Minecraft is outdated or a previous update did not install correctly. If that didn't work, a missing system update can cause compatibility issues with Minecraft, preventing it from launching. If Microsoft's servers are experiencing downtime or issues, you may need to wait until the problem is resolved. Fix 4. Reset the Microsoft Store cache. A corrupted Microsoft Store cache can interfere with app downloads and updates, leading to errors when launching Minecraft. Clearing the cache can restore normal functionality. Scroll through the list and ensure the following services are running: Windows Update, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Live Networking Service. If any are not running, right-click on the service, select Properties, set the startup type to Automatic, and click Start if the service is stopped. Click OK and close the services window. Restart your computer and check if the issue with the Xbox app persists. Since Minecraft runs through the Xbox app on Windows, issues with the app can prevent the game from launching. Repairing the Xbox app can resolve missing or corrupted files that might be causing error code 0x87e50038.